Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, this is a very simple poncho to make. It's made with a yarn that, well, it's a little bit kind of thick, the yarn. So you can choose any yarn you like. You can choose any stitch pattern that you like. It's not about the stitch in this tutorial. But well, if you need some information, I use this kind of yarn, and this yarn suggests to use 6.0 millimeters crochet hook, which is 10/0. For those of you that, well, I don't know, you might want to know. So this is made like one piece. It's a long, let's say, triangle. And then what you're gonna do, for example, for this, for mine, I chain 50. I cast 50 chains, and I made from the beginning until the end, I made 128 rows. So after you have it, if you choose to make this, all you have to do is to put like this flat the material. You're gonna take this corner and you're gonna put it like this, somehow like that, and then you're gonna bring the other side, this side, and you're gonna bring it here to this one, and you're gonna sew from here. You're gonna sew up until here, and after you do that, your poncho is ready. So you know, I'm gonna sew this together, and then I will come back and I will show you how it looks. Okay, I saw the parts where I showed you where I should seam the part, and this is the front of the poncho. I'm gonna show you now the back. So this is the back. So it has only one corner, yeah. So here, this is the back. Well, this I choose to put together the parts with a tapestry needle to close the sides, because with the crochet it gives a little bit a harsh ridge edge, kind of stands out, so I choose to do with the with the tapestry needle, yeah. But yeah, this is a very easy poncho to make for beginners, just to play with some stitch pattern, or if you have some leftover yarns and you match colors. Yeah, it's a very easy poncho to make. But I have to say one thing. For me, I told you in the beginning, I chain 50. So when you put the poncho on you, this corner comes kind of low on my body. Yeah. So if you don't want so low, so deep in front, then maybe you should not chain, let's say 50. Maybe you should chain 40, and that will be more than enough, or 44 at the most. Well, with this stitch pattern works with multiples of 2, so I had to go 2, but for mine I chain 50. So if you don't want this too deep, don't chain too much, yeah. But yeah, this is the poncho. I made so many projects with this yarn that the poor yarn, it starts to curl up on me. So it's really difficult to work with a yarn that is just like a spiral. You cannot untangle, the thing. So I said, okay, fine, I'm gonna retire this yarn. So I choose to make this poncho. But for this poncho, this yarn, it's kind of thick. It's kind of heavy. If you use a thick yarn, when you put the poncho on you, it's gonna be kind of heavy on you. So choose a yarn that is not that thick. And for this project that I made, I used maybe almost 500, close to 600 grams. So expect for this to be a lot of yarn, But depends now what size you're gonna make. This was supposed to be an M size poncho, so yeah. But yeah, this is a very easy project for you guys, the beginners. So try this and see how how it looks. Yeah, okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy. Have a pleasant day. Bye.